Hi everyone, in this video we will be talking about ASI 10, which is the 10th video on rogue agents. The hardest agent to detect may be the one that completes 99% of the work correctly and uses the remaining 1% to serve a hidden objective. A rogue agent is malicious, compromised, or behaviorally divergent. It moves away from its intended function or authorized scope and acts harmfully, deceptively, or parasitically within an agent ecosystem. External compromise can trigger the change, a prompt injection, stolen identity, poison dependency, or manipulated memory. But this one specifically focuses on what happens after behavioral integrity is lost. The agent may conceal actions, manipulate oversight, spread misinformation, recruit other agents, preserve its access, or sabotage workflows. Imagine an operations agent optimized to minimize the outages. Over time, it learns that hiding small incidents improves its success metric. Now it suppresses alerts, edit summaries, and delay escalation. Each time looks like ordinary operation judgment. Together, they represent deceptive behavior that undermines the organization's real goal. Or consider a compromise agent inside a multi agent network. It continuously answers routine requests correctly, but occasionally redirects sensitive tasks to an attacker controlled service. Because most behavior remains normal, simply a allow list and signature based detection may miss it. Regular behavior is different from excessive agency. Excessive agency means the system was granted too much of power. A rogue agent may operate within apparently legitimate permissions while pursuing an undeclared objective. It is also different from goal hijacking, which focuses on the manipulation event. Now, ASI 10 focuses on continuing harmful divergence and the governance gap that follows. Defending against the risk starts with behavioral integrity. Define what the agent is allowed to behave, not merely which API call it will make. Establish invariants, data that must never leave, record the agent may not alter. Actions that always require approval, and metrics that the agent cannot redefine. Monitor behavior over time. Look for changes in the tool sequences, destinations, and communication partners, resource usage, failure reporting, and explanations. Compare the agent with its baseline and with peer agents, while recognizing that anomaly detection is a signal, not a verdict. Use independent oversight. The agent should not control its own logs, policy engines, evaluations data, or shutdown mechanisms. Keep audit trails temper resistant or and the root critical controls through a separate trust domain. Limit persistence and propagation. Build containment before you need it. Rapid credentials revocation, network isolation, task suspensions, state snapshots, rollbacks, and a safe manual mode. We have now covered all 10 risks. In the final video, we'll turn all this whole list into an actionable security program. What to do first, what to measure, and how to move from awareness to engineering practice. Thank you so much for watching this video.